Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's October 21st, 2025, and it's a little bit after 9 a.m. And the 7-Eleven chickens have been following me all the way across the yard to here. They want some food. The 7-Eleven chickens have their food, so do the other chickens. Now for the rest of them. Harold, you get fed first. I'm coming, guys. We got the hay for the herd. It's 43 degrees right now. And got a little blue in the sky, a lot of lines. As long as it stays bright, I'll be happy. I like sunshine. Mean Billy Goat. I go turn the water on so I can water them. Everyone's got the water now. Spaz is laying out here, enjoying the sun. Yeah, it's a little bit chilly. Hopefully I get some stuff done. The boys can help me today. We'll see. Escape chicken's back out. I'm not for sure why she keeps wanting out. Then I'll go by her gate and she'll go right back in. I'm not even sure how she's getting out. It's because she's little, squeezing through the gate. That's my guess. I'm going to have to organize this hay somewhat. I believe we're getting some more today. This stuff right here is still a little wet, so I don't want to pack it together. Got a lot of sun on it yesterday. Hopefully